So I'll be showing you how to turn off or how to switch off your Samsung Galaxy A05. So I'll show you two ways of doing this. Now the first method is using the side button, this one right here. So you want to long press the side button and the power menu will appear, and from the power menu you can tap on power off and then tap on power off again, and that's going to switch off your phone. You'll feel a slight vibration and the phone will go off. Another way of switching off your phone is by scrolling down to the quick settings panel, and at the top there you should see this power button. So tap on it, that brings up the power menu again, and now you can tap on power off and switch off your phone like that. So those are the two different ways of switching off or turning off your Samsung Galaxy A05. Thanks for watching and good luck.